Hello, here in this video we are going to learn about collective nouns. Those collective nouns we have classified here into 5 categories, and those are animals, birds, insects, persons, and things. A word that is used to name something is called a noun. A word to name something is called a word noun of a group of things is called a collective noun. Noun of a group of things is called herd is a collective word, collective noun which can be used for buffaloes and cows. Next one is here donkeys, a herd of donkeys. The same way, a herd of deer, a herd of elephants, and a herd of whales also we can use. Next one, pack. This word is applicable to different animals. A pack of dogs, a pack of wolves, a pack of sharks. Next one, flock. In the case of animals, a flock of camels, a flock of sheep. Clutter, a clutter of cats. Litter, it is a baby ones. A litter of cubs of tigers or bear, lions, a litter of kitten, a litter of puppies. Only one animal is there, but a group I will give later. Mob, a mob of kangaroos, a mob of kangaroos, a coalition of leopards, coalition of leopards. The same way, a swarm of rats, a troop of monkeys. So you can identify a pod of dolphins. So a sloth of bears, a clutch of rabbits. What is this? A yoke of oxen. Plural form of ox is oxen. Here a tower of giraffes. So next one, a shoal of fish. See, collective nouns of birds, a brood of chicks. Likewise, a clutch of eggs of one female bird. Next, a flock of birds. A flock of sheep is also there. Next one is a flight of birds which are flying. At the same way, a gaggle of geese. So here a murder of crows, crows, we use murder. A pride of peacocks, just like that we use a pride of lions also there. Here a pride of ostriches, a pride of ostriches. So how can we call a group of owls? A parliament of owls. Here is a group of parrots. What term we use? You can see a prattle of parrots. Next, flamingos are being drawn. How can we call this group? A stand of flamingos. So they are always standing. Stand of flamingos. So here a rook. So a group of insects also have their own names. A line of ants is called an army of ants. A hive of honeybees is also called a colony or hives of bees. Next, a group of butterflies is called a colony or a swarm of butterflies. An army of caterpillars here. An intrusion of cockroaches. A plenty of and in the same way we can use different names for different groups of persons. A batch of students is here. Next one, a board of directors. In the same way, a choir of singers. Next one is there a class of students. In the same way, an orchestra of musicians. Here you can identify a circle of friends. So next one is a crew of sailors or aircraft, aeroplane also we can use. At the same way, a group of people sitting here. Next thing is a crowd of people. It is disorderly group. Next one is a jury of judges. Next, a panel of experts. Here is what? A patrol of police. If it is a thieves, use a gang of thieves. Next, an army of soldiers. So here, a staff of employees. So here a team of players. Next one is what is this? A troupe of dancers. Spelling you have to keep in your mind. Next, so many people here, an audience of listeners. Here is a group of things. This is a bouquet of flowers. Next one is a bunch of grapes. In the same way, a bunch of keys. A chest, I think a chest of drawers. You can also guess before the sentence, a fleet of ships, a fleet of aircraft also we can use. Like this, a fleet of aircraft. So if a group of trees is there, we can call either it as a forest or a grove of trees. Likewise, a group of stars, so we can call them as a galaxy of stars, or a constellation also a word is there. So here a group of islands. So many books arranged, a library of books. So if cards are there, a pack of cards. Next one is arrows, a quiver of arrows. So many hills and mountains, a range of mountains. Next one is household articles, a set of utensils. Next, what is this? A suit of furniture.